Hello, it's an honor being here and a pleasure having you guys. My name is Jonathan and I'll be presenting before you our enterprise in 3D printing called Redo. 3D printing as a market is still a niche industry nowadays, and this amazing tech didn't meet with its predicted potential. None of us drive 3D printed cars to our 3D printed houses, and during the research performed during our PhDs, we defined what we think is the biggest problem in 3D printing nowadays, termed by us the accessibility problem. The accessibility problem is made of two complementary problems. The first one being the print size restriction, meaning that whatever we want to print has to fit inside the printer, and static, meaning that we have to come to the printer.
The vision of 3Do is based on a combination between the fields of soft robotics and 3D printers. The image to the right demonstrates a soft robot that was navigated through a maze from point A to point B, where you can see our core innovation, a micro 3D printer. The mobility of these robo printers allows us to 3D print in the most restricted environments, both indoor and outdoor. 3Do is the brainchild of myself and Jonathan, two PhD students in the field of chemistry with combined experience in material chemistry, electronics, and 3D printing. We joined forces with Daya, which bring all the know-how in product design. One of the main advantages of the hybrid robo-printers is the ability to access into restricted volumes inside objects, allowing us to print desirable properties into the object. With this in mind, during our market research, we identified the racing series of Formula E as a foot-in-the-door industry for 3Do. We can offer this young, $1 billion, innovation-driven, cutting-edge industry many technological solutions in almost every part of the car. It also represents a gateway industry for 3Do to other disruptable markets such as aerospace, mobility, and health.
Breaking down the market into outdoor, indoor, static, and mobile segments, we see the mobile indoor corner filled with toy manufacturers, the static indoor corner saturated with titans of industry that make limited print size printers, the outdoor static segment is made of experimental construction work printers, and the outdoor mobile corner, 3Do's segment, being populated by drone-mounted printers. While companies in this corner focus on drone tech only, our tech allows us to operate indoors and outdoors, printing inside and outside of objects, giving us the edge over the competition. Right now we're focused on finalizing our tech validation and patenting and forming the right connections that will take us to the milestone of proof of concept by the end of 2020, and by the end of 2021, release a first product into market. If you're interested in the next curve of 3D printing as much as we do, or have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you very much for your time.